Would you like more people visit your online store? Here's how you can achieve it with no costs. Hi, thank you for joining me today. My name is Alicia and I'm happy to share some digital marketing knowledge with you. I work with an amazing team of developers, designers, search engine marketing specialists, and other e-commerce experts who have first-hand experience in online store management. By the way, we can create and set up a ready-made dropshipping store specifically for you that will be the quickest and the easiest way to start your own independent online business. Check out this video for more details. Once you have your online store fully ready for operation, the most important thing you need to care about is attracting visitors to this website. That is why, together with our amazing team here at AliDropship, we made this list of 23 free traffic sources. It will not cost you anything to use them, and you can start your promotions with them right after finishing this video. How does this sound to you? Let us see what your options are to promote your store for free with the power of text. Number 1. Blog posts. An entertaining and engaging blog post is a valuable piece of content that drives traffic from search engines. With its help, you can drive an enthusiastic audience to your website. It also gives you content for other social media. Post articles on other platforms. While a blog is directly integrated into your store, an external platform is an independent source of information for internet users. So, it lets you reach a much wider audience and establish yourself as an expert in the field, which is great for your brand image and sales volume. Post content on themed forum threads. Share your tips and insights on niche forums, and you do not need to be a super skilled writer. They're great places to start. There, you can connect with potential customers more naturally and be helpful to them. They will appreciate your input and become more attentive to your offer. Answer questions on Quora. Quora is one place that generates quality traffic. The people who leave their questions there are highly motivated to find a solution to their query. This way, it is easy to convert them into buyers and loyal customers. You need actually to be helpful. Try Reddit posts. Reddit attracts an impressive number of readers every day. Start with commenting on suitable threads until you reach the necessary level of credibility. You will not be able to write your own posts until then. Send emails to former clients. An engaging email with a catchy subject line is a good way to be reminded about your business and motivate the person to take a look at your site once again. Be creative with your email marketing efforts. Mix different types of letters, product updates, sale announcements, notifications about the newest blog articles, special offers for the subscribers, and etc. Write an ebook. You do not have to spend anything on the book production, and you can easily distribute it across the web. So you attract new readers, store visitors, and buyers at no extra cost. Ebooks give you targeted traffic. The people who download your book are already interested in your knowledge and experience, so it's much easier to convert them into actual buyers. For example, if you have a store selling accessories for video equipment, you can create a book about how to start video blogging or just filming family videos. If you do not mind research and analytical work, feel free to take these SEO steps to attract more free traffic to your store. Optimize product descriptions. Include niche-related or product-specific keywords into the description of every product in your store. Creating these informative and SEO-friendly product descriptions will also improve your conversion rate significantly. Optimize images. When a picture is taken directly from AliExpress, it commonly has a super weird name, lacks alt text, and its size is too large. Make sure that the picture file name contains the relevant keywords, the image has a suitable alt tag, and the picture size is not too big. Otherwise, the page containing this picture will take a long time to load. Revise and update blog posts. Update every article at least once a year. Change the year if it's mentioned in the text and rewrite factual information if it's no longer relevant. In terms of SEO and common sense, outdated articles cannot bring enough traffic. Encourage blog comments. It is a good idea to motivate your blog readers to discuss every entry and sharing their thoughts and ideas in the comment section. The more people who comment on your articles, the more likely they are using your SEO keywords and will help your store be more visible to search engines. Leave your own comments. Go through industry-related blogs and comment on the articles that are somehow connected to your store niche or your area of professional expertise. Add links to your site if possible. In terms of SEO, this is a winning strategy because it makes you more visible on Google. Plus, you get some coverage on well-reputed platforms. Post on classified ads websites. Every country has its own range of classified ad websites. These sites allow users to post their advertisements for free. Here you can access highly motivated buyers who are looking for your exact items. So make sure to create an appealing post with quality images and an informative description. If you enjoy creating videos and have the necessary resources to make them regularly, do not miss out on the opportunity to use them as a powerful traffic driver. Here's what you can do. Create a YouTube channel. Pay special attention to the content of your videos. If they are not perfect from the technical or visual point of view but explain or describe something interesting or important, they can still see positive response from viewers. Post video reviews of products from your store as well. Follow related channels. Make sure that your account looks reliable and makes it clear who you are and what your business is all about. Check if you have your store links featured in the About section and pay attention to your video's descriptions. Leave comments under related videos. When you leave a comment under a popular or informative video, you reach a part of this channel's audience, so you need to be polite and professional in all your writings. Post your videos on other platforms. Why limit yourself to just YouTube when there are lots of alternative platforms? Dailymotion, Vimeo, and even 9gag TV can turn out to be wonderful places to share your videos, and of course, do not forget to share your videos on social media networks. Speaking of which, let us examine free traffic sources for social media networks fans. Social media networks help people to stay connected and distribute information. Of course, they're super valuable in terms of free traffic generation. Create a social media account. That is your starting point. It increases your website visibility in terms of SEO, helps to reach a wider audience of potential buyers, make it easier to talk to potential customers, and lets you demonstrate what your store offers. Before you start inviting internet users to view or follow your social media account, make sure the page features all of the necessary contact details and already has several engaging posts. Then you can start an automated promotion, for example with the help of Social Rabbit plugin. Learn more about this tool from the video on our channel. Post on social media regularly. Your goal is to systematically make high-quality posts that encourage your readers to leave comments, visit your store, and eventually make a purchase. Experiment with interactive posts, polls, votes, contests, and other activities that will make followers interact with the life of your page. Reuse existing content for social media. Look at the pieces of content you already have and try turning them into something different. For example, you can turn a short article into an infographic picture, product feature text into simple videos, and etc. This way you will be able to post it on social media that wasn't suitable for it before. Top free traffic sources for extroverted entrepreneurs. If you do not mind interacting with people you do not personally know, there's a whole world of collaborations open to you. For example, here's what you can do. Try cross-promotion. Find a blog or store that is built around the niche related to yours and contact the owner. Offer to mention each other in one another's social media posts to increase your audience coverage. For example, if you sell clothing for babies, you can make partner posts with toy stores. This method is quite similar to the Instagram shoutout strategy. The only exception is that none of you is doing it for money. If you're interested in Instagram shoutouts, check out this detailed video. Suggest guest posting. Tell your business partner you want to draft an article for their blog for free. In exchange, ask them to mention the name of your website or business. Lots of potential buyers will see your guest article and its quality will influence their buying decisions. You can also offer local entertaining websites to provide them with articles like 10 best gifts for this holiday or for your grandpa and so on. Experiment with guest featuring. When you're making a collaboration, there are lots of things you can do within this partnership. For example, you can film an interview or a product review to insert it into your partner's video, provide a prize for a contest or giveaway with multiple hosts, and so on. Just make sure that you're featured in the list of sponsors or guest star of this particular promotion. As you can see, these methods of traffic generation do not require any significant investment. All you need to do is to choose the strategies that meet your skills and personal interest and start working on them. I hope that this mix of promotional strategies will be of use to you, and if you need any extra e-commerce advice, check out our services page on AliDropship website. If you would like any professional help with your promotional strategy or more, we are here for you. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more dropshipping tips and marketing secrets, which are on their way. See you! Bye!